Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by signing into the same Google account tied to the lost phone. This gives you authority to manage it. Once signed in, open Android. com/find or the Find My Device app and pick the correct device from the list. This step is crucial because the service communicates with Google's servers to locate and command your phone. Make sure you recognize the device model and last seen time. That confirms you're acting on the right device and prevents accidental locks on someone else. Once you've selected your phone, choose Secure Device or Lock to immediately enforce a screen lock. This prevents unauthorized use. You'll be asked to create a temporary PIN or password, and you should add a short recovery message plus a contact number that displays on the lock screen. This helps an honest finder to return it. Important: do not choose Erase yet, because wiping the phone disables future location attempts. Make sure the lock is active and test status shown in the Find My Device interface. Finish by confirming the phone reports as locked in Find My Device and keep monitoring for location changes. Google updates when the device connects. If recovery seems unlikely, contact your carrier to suspend the SIM and consider filing a police report with serial/MA details. As a troubleshooting tip, if the phone appears offline, make sure you use the correct Google account and check account activity for recent sign-ins. Then retry commands periodically. Many phones show up once they reconnect to the network or are rebooted by someone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.